Hey, thanks for watching this little quick video I've got here. This is an unboxing video for Bulletproof mounting solutions. Basically what they've done is they've designed a really cool way to hook up your cell phone and your GoPro, either at the same time or separately in your Jeep. This is pretty cool. I'm pretty psyched about this. I've been trying to do this for a while. I've done different methods. I've used a rugged ridge mounting piece. I combined that with a ram mount. It worked all right, but not too great. So after I found these guys online, I kind of reached out and wanted to make sure I could get it pretty quickly or whatnot, because I do now live in Canada, from Texas to here. So I want to make sure I could still get it and it wouldn't be like super expensive in shipping. And I spoke to a guy named Ryan down there at Bulletproof, and he hooked me up, got me the shipping rate, flat rate shipping rate and stuff, got it up here really quick, so thank you very much, appreciate that. I did pay for everything, of course. This is not a freebie install or unboxing video. So basically, that's all I've done. So far, I've just done a really quick unboxing video, which you can watch in 2 seconds. And then probably next week or the week after, I'm gonna do an install video. Seeing as everybody right now seems to be on lockdown or quarantine or whatever, due to the thing I can't say, or YouTube will shut this video down. So basically, I've got some free time and I've got lots of mods that need to happen on my Jeep. They're all sitting in my garage still from like last summer and the summer before. When you have 2 kids and a wife and a mortgage, it makes it kind of hard to get to the stuff. But I'm gonna do it now. So this is a quick unboxing video. Please like and subscribe if you do in fact like it. My videos suck, I know that, but take a look, tell me if you like it. And again, a special thank you to Ryan out there at Bulletproof for getting this up to me up here in Canada. That's it. So have a look, see. The product is pretty badass. Everything looks really nice so far. I haven't installed it yet, but the quality of the materials really blew me away. Like in the packaging it comes in is pretty good. And this is just a really basic unboxing video, just to show people out there, if you're kind of like, you know, sitting on the fence to buy this product, the way it even came in the box was like, it's pretty awesome. Like a lot of the stuff I've bought like over the years doesn't come in packaging like this. This was really thought out nicely. It's a good product and it's even shipped great. So without further ado, here's my unboxing video and thanks for watching. Okay, it finally came. My Bulletproof Mounting Solutions cell phone holder. Been waiting for this for a while. I was gonna get it at Christmas time. My wife did not order it for me, so then I got it for my birthday. And it's been pretty crazy trying to get everything done, get it installed. But here's an unboxing first, and then we'll get into actually installing it in the Jeep. Ooh, what's this? Something here addressed to me. All right, let's check this out. Wow, that's a pretty bulletproof envelope. Ooh, stickers, I like stickers. Thanks for the opportunity to work together. Regards. Thank you very much. These will definitely go on my hardtop for sure. And more stickers. Okay, perfect. Love it. Okay. Tell your friends, share with others, share on social media, sign up for a VIP club. I think I've already done all that, but I will definitely add to that. Thank you again. Not bad. Exclusive carbon fiber, Kevlar hybrid arms, double barrel design, GoPro ready. Sweet, because I have all that. All right, here we go. Should I put a drum roll in this video? Let's see. Ooh, now that is badass. There's the mount, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Ooh, like that. One arm, very heavy duty. I like that, carbon fiber as well. Okay, I see a GoPro mount adapter, sweet. Not bad at all. All right. Oh, and look at that. That is gorgeous. Not bad at all. That's your cell phone holder. Wow, that's pretty badass as well. I like that little bullet bottle holder, bottle opener. Can't speak. That is an amazing bulletproof bullet bottle opener. Trying to say that super fast. All right, so there we go. Got the mount, got the arm, we got the other holder for the GoPro. Aluminum, that is very nice. I like that. That's for your cell phone. And then you've got your trusty bottle opener, of course. That is not bad at all. Let's see how this stuff goes on here. Let's loosen these off. Have some fun here for a sec. Just want to see what this looks like. Ooh. Not bad at all. And here's your adapter for your GoPro. There we go. Not bad. It's put together pretty quick on the fly. Not in the Jeep yet, but pretty darn cool. Let's grab a cell phone and see what that looks like with a cell phone. All right, I got a pretty big cell phone. This is the new Samsung A71. Let's just see. Oh, no problem whatsoever. That's pretty freaking badass. Now, of course, I'm just holding it. Whoa. Should probably make that a little tighter. There we go. That's not bad at all. Liking that. That is pretty cool. Just took a picture by accident. That's pretty cool. Yep. So, there we go. Cell phone holder. Bulletproof mounting solutions with my GoPro mount, my cell phone mount. Unboxing. Super quick and easy, little quick unboxing there. We're all stuck home from this crap, so everybody stay safe, stay in your homes, and work on your Jeeps. That's what I'm gonna do. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.